Let's take a look at the impacts of extreme climate. For dead, 48,000 stranded NUS, 1 in 500-year flood is its third unprecedented disaster since 2021. Teresa, 427 millimeters rain in 48 hours, 30% annual AV, breaking 1,920 seconds records. But 1920 didn't have climate-amplified systems. Or $60 billion agri-exports at risk. Premier Mins admits current models can't predict these regular extremes. Insurers face $800 million claims as 10,000 homes flood. This isn't just Australia's crisis, it's a Pacific warning. Rising seas could displace 40 meters Asians by 2050. How should governments adapt? Subscribe for climate geopolitics.